Now I want to design some application. The application would be like this, that the user would type some email or password in these two text boxes and retrieve some information with the name of the security number, and they could use it to access other places in the website. So we need a programming language which could access the database in the server. The programming language that we want to use is PHP. So in here we go to our terminal. As I said, this is the terminal which we are connected to the server side. So I press Ctrl X to exit. Just let me clear the screen. First of all, we need to make sure that PHP is already installed. So I say PHP-V and hit enter. Again, if I say PHP and hit enter, so no, PHP is not installed. Actually, I thought that PHP would be already installed. So in order for us to just install PHP, we could just say, like always, apt get install, and then PHP in here, let's say 7.0 to install PHP 7. It wants 18 megabyte, so I say Y to say yes, and then after some time PHP would be installed on my remote system. Now we just say PHP-V again, and yes, PHP has been installed, as you see in here. So again, we say just clear the screen. We go to the var www and html. We go to the client page.html and we write our PHP code. So everything that is written between the PHP tags like this, before it's sent to the browser, everything that is written in here would be delivered to the PHP interpreter installed on this server, and then the result would be created and sent to the user. So in here, if we just say echo for printing out data in here, for example, hello user, and we save it, we hit enter. So right now, if we refresh, nothing would happen. The reason is that the extension of this page is HTML. You see, the extension is HTML. While if we want this data to be delivered to the PHP interpreter, we should somehow change, we should actually just change the extension to PHP so that this would be delivered to PHP. So in here, again, I just say nano, hit enter, just type Ctrl O. So I don't know, it is stuck. Yes, again, and in here we just, you see in below in here, and we just change it to PHP, and again we hit enter. Save the file with different name, yes, and now this is our file. Now you see these things has been changed. Now if I refresh, so we should get something in here saying hello world. It's not saying anything. Let me just say echo hello world, and I want the result to be shown as in the H1 format so that we could completely see them. If I refresh again, so I'm not seeing anything. Let me just troubleshoot the problem in here. If you go to the inspect element, I should have some line in here in the body. You see, this is PHP. Actually, it is commenting this line, and the PHP code should not be shown to the user. Let us just check the problem again. So let's just exit again, and this time I would want to execute this program using the PHP interpreter in here to see if PHP is actually working on the remote server. If I hit enter, so I got the whole page and I'm not getting the result back. Or yes, actually I'm getting the PHP code. You see, it is getting executed saying hello user. Let me also create another page with the name of a1.php to make sure that PHP is actually executed. So in here I just say echo hello user or hello world, doesn't make any difference. Control O, hit enter, Control X, now say PHP a1.php and we hit enter. You see we have hello user in here, which means that the PHP is working at the server side. So let's see that what the problem is. Maybe it is with the Apache configuration. Well, first we should see what is the problem. Again, let me just, because we have created, let me just see the type ls. You see we have a1.php. If we hit enter, it is a hello user. So I want to just access this page using the browser a1.php. We hit enter. So now we are not getting anything. The reason is that Apache is commenting at our side. Probably Apache is commenting all the PHP code and it is actually sending the code to the browser. This could be completely dangerous, and well, no application would be created using this because the PHP code is not executed. Also, the user could see all the code that we have written. So let me see what the problem is.